Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and quickest apple crumble. First, you make crumble mixture. You put chilled cubed butter in a bowl and add plain flour. And you rub the butter and flour with your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse bread crumbs. You aim not to melt the butter with your body temperature, so if the room is warm, it is a good idea to refrigerate the flour prior to use. It's actually good to leave some butter lumpy like this. You will taste nice buttery flavor. You add raw sugar, which has coarser texture, and a pinch of salt. The slight saltiness is the key to this recipe. And mix well. You could also add some spices such as ground cinnamon, ginger or nutmeg if you like. The crumble mixture's done. You cover the bowl and leave it aside. The apples suitable for baking are crunchy and tart ones. Please avoid soft apples because they tend to get mushy when they are baked. I used apples called Pink Lady and Granny Smith today. You peel and cut the apples into small pieces. I usually cut in quarter, remove the core and peel first, but please peel and cut whatever the way you like. After peeling, I cut the quarter in half again and cut into small pieces like this. You're not going to pre-cook the apple before baking, so the pieces should be small so that they get cooked in the oven. You put all the apple pieces in baking dish or tray. Cover the apple with the crumble mixture evenly. Bake the apple crumble in the preheated oven at 180 degrees or 170 if unforced for 30 to 40 minutes until the crumble surface gets slightly colored. When the apple crumble is baked, you can serve it warm with cold custard or ice cream. But some of you may prefer serving cold. It is up to you. As you can see, apple pieces are fully cooked, but not mushy. The texture is perfect. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.